Max Your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back. My name is Alvin, and today I'm going to show you how we just got another $1,300 booking, guys. Not one, but actually two $1,300 bookings, guys. So that's $2,600. And guess what? They're within the same time frame. They're actually the same dates at different locations. Now that I discussed in the later video I just made talking about the logistics, but the opportunity was there for me to make $2,600 within 7 days. That's better than most people's jobs. That's better than most side hustles that you can think of. Guys, it's time for you to take this seriously. And if you're serious about maybe starting an RV rental business, thinking about it, then you want to hit that notification bell. You want to hit that subscribe button if you're serious, and hit the thumbs up and watch the video all the way to the end. Now I'm going to be showing you a direction. I'm going to be telling you about RVShare, and I got a major bonus that's on the actual third-party website, how it helps you reach so many more people, guys. You don't want to miss that. So we're going to be talking about RVShare in your RV rental business and how we leverage it to make all of this money, right? Let's get into it. All right, so you're on RVShare. We get here, I'm going to show you, I'm going to start right off showing you the reservations on the website. This is my list of reservations for this upcoming season. Now, my season just started. We are in March. It just started about March 1st it starts. So we have bookings already coming in. So this is money that you already have future predicted, guys. Like, it's already coming in. You don't have to stress over it no more, because as you see here, I have several bookings and I use other platforms, so I have even more bookings, guys. And if you run a third party or a website, you might have your own personal bookings. But this is where I want to talk about using these third party websites: RVShare, Outdoorsy, RVeasy. Guys, as you saw the reservations, I have them. Each one of those reservations are about $1,000 each. Some are about $900, some are up to about $1,500, guys. So that's great money. And as I just showed you here, I'm going to have two reservations that are $1,300 each, and they're for the same time frame, guys. That's $2,600 within 7 days. Now, when you're on these websites, let's jump right into it. You go to your listing of your RVs. Major thing I talked about last time is having good quality photos and lots of photos. So right here on RVShare, you see I have at least, I think, 30 photos per unit I have listed on here. Now, why do you want so many photos? The photos are going to show your customer exactly what they're getting, the quality of it, and it's also maybe going to have something that catches their eye. It's going to give them a peace of mind. Like, okay, I know it has 4 bunks where it says it sleeps 10. Is that people on the floor? Is that what? No, oh, they have 4 bunks. Okay, they have the king bed in the front. I didn't know it looked this nice inside. You're going to answer a lot of questions just from those pictures. And also on the platform, they allow you to put videos in these platforms now. So you actually can do a tutorial, a YouTube video, and put it on there. I usually do my own, but guys, you can put them right on the website now, which is awesome. Okay, so with the photos, you just want to have good quality ones and lots of photos. Now, another thing when you're on RVShare is your metrics. If we work our way down to the bottom, you have metrics on here, guys. This is going to tell you how quickly do you respond to these people, your cancellation rate, other key factors, which you'll see here. You want to make sure you're not canceling bookings. If you do have to cancel, if a customer has to cancel, let them cancel. You don't want to cancel because they do ding you for it, guys. It will push you back. It will kind of blackball you out because you're not a reliable owner. You're not a reliable business owner, guys. So you got to stand on your word. So the metrics are really going to help you start to key in on things you want. You want all of them to pretty much be green. Also with the metrics, you will notice it has your units listed at the bottom. It will tell you how many people have favored it, how many reviews you have on that unit, how many bookings it has on that unit. Now, it's not 100% accurate because I do believe I had lots more bookings than this, but the reviews are pretty spot on. And I tell you how to get those reviews, guys. So let's go right into the review section of this page. Reviews are one of the most important things on RVShare. This is also to be true about Outdoorsy or RVeasy. Reviews actually speak from customer experience, guys. So when you have these good reviews, you want at least to get to 3 reviews. 3 reviews means you're like a top renter, and 3 reviews is not hard to get. I tell you how to get them, right? I said, make sure you combine the way you reach out to your customers to close off a rental, like I told you before. So say the rental has just ended. You want to reach out to them and say, hey, I got your deposit. It's going to be released shortly after. Shortly after you leave a review, your deposit will be released shortly after that. Basically like that. Please leave a review. Your deposit will be released shortly after. So also, it almost ties it in. You leave a review, you get your money back. Even though they get their money back either way, it just helps put it in their mind. Okay, if I do the review, it'll be on the way even quicker. And I had a great time. Great, I'll get around to it right now. So that's a way to get your reviews up. Once you get so many, they push it out on the platforms, guys. And that's all I'm gonna say about that. I talked about it in the last video. So it shows your reviews on there, guys. Now, as you go through, you have your inbox where people can message you. They can ask you questions. These are people that you might never see on the platform. They just might reach out. Hey, do you deliver? Do you go to the site? Even though you have it in the description of your listings, they might not read all of it, guys. So just answer those questions and answer them in a timely manner. So you have your inbox, your metrics, guys. Another big thing, if you're thinking about this, I'm going to give you the bonus one here in just a sec. But another big thing, I have a lot of community members from our tribe reach out and they say, how do I know what rent's good in my area? How do I know what unit to get? What do you think about a pop-up? First things first, guys. Go to RVShare or any platform that you're thinking about as a customer. Click on it. Look for the unit that you own or look for the unit that you're thinking about buying. Oh, I seen a great deal on a pop-up. It's $500. Do you think it'll rent on there? Well, go look up a pop-up. If you don't see too many, then I wouldn't buy it. And I don't really like buying pop-ups. But other than that, look for that travel trailer you have. 28 foot, 32 foot, 40 foot. How does it do? A park model. I wouldn't really go that route. But maybe they're not hot in your area. Say a camper van, a Sprinter van is really hot, say in the Midwest, because they can take long trips out to the Grand Canyon, to the national parks. On the East Coast, we do a lot of beach resorts. So we don't really need a camper van. A travel trailer would be just fine. So guys, my fleet consists of travel trailers that do well. I also look on there as a customer. I look at other people's, how they have theirs listed, what photos they have, how many reviews do they have. So when they come look at mine and they see 50 plus reviews, 40 plus reviews, I'm doing pretty good. They might want to copy me, and that's fine. It's room for tons of us on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to outbeat them with my customer service every time. I'm going to be there whenever my customer needs it. And I'm not saying I'm the only one. There could be multiple of us, right? Guys. So, and I do this for my consignment units as well. Like I told you, I took on some consignment units. What is that? I rent out other people's campers for them. I'm the source. Since I have so many good reviews, the people allow me to rent out their campers. When they reach me about my most popular campers, RVs, I pass off other ones that look just as good and have the same qualities as my camper. So now they're getting renters and they're getting reviews. So that's a great bit of information there. You want to go on these platforms as a customer. Now, here is the bonus one. How does these platforms allow them to set themselves apart? They have this great feature called Smart Match. Right here on RVShare, you can see Smart Match and how does it work. Today, I just had a book and drop in or a Smart Match drop in fitting the descriptions of my travel trailer. So they will send me that part of this list of Smart Matches, which is basically customers that were looking for a camper. They have certain specifications that fit my camper. Maybe a renter owner had canceled on them, so now they're still looking for a booking. It allows them to streamline customers to you free of charge. So they streamline the customers to you. You can reach out. They give you a generic message to post to them. Hey, I saw you were looking for these days. Now, what I do is I go behind that with a personalized message as well. So now they're getting 2 notifications. I say, hey, I would love to help you out with this trip. Hopefully we can make this happen. Sometimes I say, please provide me with a few more details, or just to spark that conversation, guys, just to keep it in their mind. Maybe I can help them next time. But Smart Match. Now, if you're an outdoorsy, it's called Insta Match. If you're on other platforms, they have their own variation of this where it streamlines customers to you. That is one of the bonuses of using these third-party websites. Too many people might not know about Max Your Journey's website for rentals, but they know about RVShare and are sponsored. They sponsor a lot of events in your area, believe it or not, and they streamline customers to you. So with that smart match, that is the bonus. They will give you customers for free. But since they're such a big business, they also partner with different people. So for example, they partner with our local NASCAR track. So when people go in there and they book their tickets, they also tell them about this option to rent or live or stay on the property. And what they do is they'll reach out to RV owners saying, hey, we have this opportunity for you to book your camper out to the race. Would you be interested? This is the price we'll pay you, which is probably more than your normally nightly rate. We might not pay you for delivery. We might not pay you for your extra add-ons. And if you don't comment back, they still might come back with a counter offer and say, hey, we will provide you with your delivery fee and still pay you the nightly rate. Are you interested? Please contact this number. So that is a way that they also provide customers with a great experience to introduce them to RVShare, but also gives you an opportunity. So guys, it creates less work for you. I hope you make a decision whether you want to use RVShare, Outdoorsy. Look in your area, see which one is popular, see which one can really help you out. RV Easy, RV and Go. There's so many, guys. If you found any type of good information in this video, if you would, again, hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, and please hit that like button. I appreciate you so much. Grow your RV rental business this year. Max your journey. Let's go.